Okay, good morning to all of you. I think welcome to this class after a gap of 1 week. In the last 1.5 years, we never gave a gap. This is the first time, and first Sunday we had a gap because I had to travel to Chennai. So that was the reason. So now we will go to the question papers. In fact, okay, our visit to Chennai was wonderful. I met about 5 students, 6 students rather, in 3 different places. They're all wonderful people. One person in Nungambakam, one person in Perambur, and 4 people at Kolattur. That was, and I first hand I am able to see how big or how small are the 10th standard students, how bright and how what kind of because I never seen very closely these 10th standard, 9th standard, 11th standard I have not seen. When my kids are 10th, 11th we have seen, but then now closely I was able to see what kind of background they are from and how they are studying, etc. That gave me some more insight into it. In fact, what we have, some of my WhatsApp messages you would have seen, we have nearly touched around 1,500 students by way of WhatsApp and YouTube. And then online class, we touched nearly 600 students all put together. And then coming year, we are thinking, we are planning to touch about 10,000 students. So we have a mission 2022 a plan, and then a lot of teachers are on board with us for doing this. And then I request all the students to spread the message so that this benefit will be shared by a lot of people. Now your juniors in 9th standard, 8th standard, you can pass on this message. And plenty of competitions we are conducting. You know that we conduct Tamil debate, Pattimandram, Kavidai, English debate, English quiz, Tamil quiz. In addition to coaching NTSC, NMMS, and then coaching for communicative English, that is spoken English, and coaching for orientation towards UPSC exams. And then we have competition on drawing, painting, photography, and then now we have a slogan contest. So we want to spread our wings, and so that we reach as many students as possible and get their hidden talents out. Now, in the process, in the meantime, my hidden talents are also 1 or 2 are coming out. It is very interesting. So this is in a nutshell. For this, we had made a core team of 30 people, out of which 25 are students and 5 are teachers, and one is myself. This 31 people, we are working together to spread these wings to various. ஸோ அதில் ஒரு பார்ட்டு தான் என்னுடைய இந்த விஜயம், இந்த மை ட்ரிப் டு ஆல் தீஸ். ஐ எம் பிளானிங் டு விசிட் தஞ்சாவூர், திருவாரூர், தேனி, what is that, தென்காசி, கோவில்பட்டி, what is that, காரைக்குடி, தூத்துக்குடின், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 25 பிளேஸ் ஐ எம் மீட்டிங். எவ்ரிவேர் அவர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். அங்கே போய் 1-2 பேரை பார்த்து இன்னும் கூட இந்த சர்வீஸை எப்படி ஃபைன் டியூன் பண்ணலாம், ஹவு டு வி மேக் இட் மோர் எஃபெக்டிவ் அப்படிங்கிற எண்ணத்தில் நான் இந்த விஜயம் பண்ணுறேன். அப்புறம் குழந்தைகளை மீட் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ கிவ் சஜஷன்ஸ், ஹவு டு வி மேக் திஸ் மோர் எஃபெக்டிவ் அப்படிங்கிறத சஜஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம். ஹவு டு வி ரீச் மோர் பீப்புள் அண்ட் மோர் எஃபெக்டிவ், தட் இஸ் த திங். எனிவே, ஸோ வித் தட் ஸ்மால் brief, we'll go to the question paper. So let's see question number 57. 5 boys P, Q, R, S, T took part in a race. R finished before T but behind S. P finished before Q but behind T. Who won the race? பண்ணு பார்க்கலாம். என்னது? P, Q, R, S, T. R finished before T. R finished before T. R finished before T, and then behind S. So S is ahead of R. P finished before Q but behind T. P is behind T but before Q. So I am getting a sequence. S is the first, then R, then T, then P, then Q. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Just write
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. What about others? Are you getting? See, they say R
Yes, sir.
finished before T but behind S. So S is in the front, next R, then T. Then P finished before Q but behind T. So T க்கு பின்னாடி P, ஆனால் Q க்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கிற. அப்போ S, R, T, P, Q. So who won the race? S won the race. Who got the last place?
Q, sir.
Q got the last place. Correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. Ah, I have some problem in sequencing, no, the aligning. Arrange the given words, arrange the given words in a meaningful sequence and choose the appropriate sequence from the given alternatives. So they have given four words: appendix, contents, chapters, introduction. I think it is to do with the book. அது எது முன்னாடி வரும் எது பின்னாடி வரும், which one will come first, second, third, fourth, like that you have to find. So which is the right answer? Which one will come first, second, third, fourth? I am very sure appendix is the last one. That I am very sure. Appendix means that is actually it's added in the last pages of your book. So A should be the last. If you look at the answer, there's only one option where A is the last. That is DCBA. That is the third is the answer, I think. Am I correct? Correctingla? Are you getting it? Anirudh, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? DCBA?
No, sir.
Just check. Do it. Do it on your own. That would be better.
Okay, sir.
Because in the book, first one will be what? Normally, first one will be introduction. Then the chapters will come. Then the content, actual content of the book will come next. And then last, the appendix. So DCBA will be that sequence. Okay, go to question number 60. We have got four words: protect, relief, flood, rain. So what is the sequence of words should come? Protect, relief, flood, rain.
Sir, option 4, sir. DCAB.
D, C is flood, A is protect, and then B is relief. Correct. First, the rain will come, and then flood will take place. They will protect the people in some godown or some Kalyana Mandam, etc. And then they will give the relief material, food and other things like that. Okay, good. Go to the next question. Let's. If minus means into means plus, plus means divided by means minus, then answer the question 61, 62. Let's go to 61. 8 plus 4 minus 3 into 2 divided by 1. Now change the signs. Minus means into. Then into means plus. Okay. Plus means divided by. Divided by means minus. So I am getting 8 divided by 4 into 3 plus 2 minus 1. So that is 2 into 3 plus 2 minus 1. That is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 is the answer I am getting. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 62 we will skip. Only over 62 we will skip. Go to 63. 63, can you do on your own? 63? அதே மாதிரி தான் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Sorry, 63. So what is the answer you are getting? 63? Now you have to change the sign and see whether you are getting that answer. So let's take the first one. 36 minus means what? Minus means divided by. Okay. Then 12. Into means plus. Plus 6. Then divided by means minus 3. Then plus 3 means plus means into 3. So board mass, you have to use board mass, BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. What do they call in your school? Is it board mass or some other mass?
Board mass, sir.
Board mass.
Board
Okay.
mass.
So bracket is not there. Divided. So 36 divided by 12, that is 3 plus 6 minus 3 into
So 0 is the answer.
3 plus 6 minus 9 equals 0 is the answer, but actually they given 0, 60 as the answer, so 1 is not correct. So likewise, which one is correct you have to find. Find out. Okay, in அடுத்த 52 divided by means what? Minus 4 plus means plus is into 5 into means plus 8 minus means divided by 2. So that is 52 minus 4 into 5 plus 6 plus 4, that is 52 minus 20 plus 4. So 36 we are getting. I am getting 36. Second one I am getting 36. Are you getting? Check. I got it. Why you are taking so much time?
Sir, what's the answer, sir?
Second one is the right answer. Left hand side I am getting 36. Right hand side also they have given 36.
7 I am getting, sir.
You are getting?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, go to question number 64. 8 star 1 equal to 81, 9 star 1 is equal to 100, then 10 star 1 is equal to how much? So you do it.
$64.
Is it 64? Are you getting 64? All of you, please. Yes. 8 star 1, 81 means 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. So 9 star 1 means 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 square is 100. And then 7 star is 1. That is 7 square plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 square is equal to 64. 64 is the right answer, I think. Okay, let's go to the next one, 65. 65. Find out which is the right answer. கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள். So what is that you are getting? I am getting what? I am getting 19 is the answer for me. For me, I am getting 19 is the answer. Let's see whether you are able to get 19. What is the logic? First you find out the logic, from there you can. Yes. யாருமே கிடைக்கலையா? No one is able to find? See, you add all the 37 plus 42. 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 is how much? 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 is how much you are getting?
16, sir.
Again, 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4, you do that. That how much you are getting?
16.
அதே
sir.
மாதிரி தான். அப்போ எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன என்ன லாஜிக் பார்த்து அதையெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிங்க.
19, sir.
19 is the answer, isn't it? Good. Okay.
Answer 19, sir.
And the answer is 19. Correct. Okay. Good. So go to next. If A plus B is greater than A plus C and A plus B is greater than A minus C, then they are asking, what is then? They are given 4 options. You have to find which option is right. Yes. A plus B equal to greater than A plus C means A cancels, so B is greater than C. So from the first equation you can find B is greater than C. The second equation you can find B is greater than minus C. B should be greater than C and B should be greater than minus C. This is only possible when B is greater than 0. Only when B greater than 0, these two conditions will be possible. ஸோ பி இஸ் கிரேட்டர் தேன் 0 இஸ் த ஆன்சர். இது கொஞ்சம் ட்ரிக்கியாக இருக்கும் பிகாஸ் அதான் அந்த பேசிக் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் இருந்தால் தான் அது இது சொல்ல முடியும். பிகாஸ் ஸோ கொஞ்சம் யூ ஹேவ் டு அப்ளை யுவர் மைண்ட். ஓகே, கோ டு நெக்ஸ்ட். டேஞ்சர் ஆல்வேஸ் இன்வால்வ்ஸ் 4 things they have given. Danger always involves what?
Fear, sir.
Fear, but it does not involve attack. Enemy, help, எது கரெக்ட்? Yes, fear is the answer. Danger involves fear. Even if there is no attack, there can be a danger with fire or something. There need not be any enemy. Danger is always in our mind also, no? நம்மளே நம்ம enemy ஆயிடுவோம் many times. அதுதான் we call it as psychological problem. Psychiatrist வேணும், கிராக் எல்லாம் அப்படி தான். ஸோ ஃபியர் இஸ் த ஒன் தட் இன்வால்வ்ஸ் டேஞ்சர். ஓகே, கோ டு நெக்ஸ்ட். வாட் இஸ் த டைம்? வாட் த டைம் இஸ் when the time is 4:20, the angle between the hands of the clock is. இது கண்டுபிடிங்க. நம்ம ஐ திங்க் we have seen the clock couple of times in our classes. You draw a clock. From that you can find the answer. First you draw a clock. So what is the answer? 420. Draw a diagram and find out. என்ன ஆன்சராக இருக்க முடியும்னு சொல்லுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக 0 இருக்காது. கரெக்டா?
15 or 10. 10
15 or
இருக்கும்
10.
sir.
15 or 10. Okay. So which is correct? So go by scientific method. Now 20 is the angle made, 420, when the time is 420, it is 4 hour 20 minutes. The minute hand makes 20 into 6, 120 degree with the reference point, that is 12 o'clock. Okay. I'll just show you the diagram which I have drawn in the previous class. Just see. So this is the diagram. 420 தெரியுதா இந்த diagramல? 420. So the reference point வந்து அந்த 12 o'clock. So அந்த நீட்டமாக இருக்கிறது வந்து the longer hand is called minute hand, the shorter hand is called hour hand. The longer hand makes an angle of 120 degree because 20 minutes, in each minute it will cover 6 degree. So 20 into 6, 120 degree. The hour hand, it is 4 hour 20 minutes means 420 by 60 hour, 4 1 by 3 hours. In 1 hour the hour hand will cover 30 degree. So 4 1 by 3 hours எவ்வளோ டிகிரின்னு பாருங்கள். 4 1 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3. 13 by 3 into 30 will be 130 degree. So 130 degree is the angle made by the hour hand. 120 degree is the angle made by the minute hand. So difference is 10 degree. So 10 degree is the answer. You work out in your paper and see whether you are getting it. Why 10 degree பாருங்க எல்லாரும். And once you are getting it, then it's okay. Then we will go to the next one. So are you getting it? வருதா? புரியலையா? புரியலன்னா சொல்லுங்க. Again we will discuss. That is the angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. இதை நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். The angle made by the hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degree. இந்த ரெண்டுமே you have to keep in mind. Then you apply. So 20 minutes means it makes 120 degrees. 20 into 6, 120 degree. 4 hour 20 minutes means 4 1 by 3 hours into 30, that gives you 130 degree. Difference is 10 degree. That is the answer. Now I want to ask you one question. Find out the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 6:30. 6:30. 6.5. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? Work out. When the time is 6:30, so what is the angle made by the minute hand? 30 minutes into 6, 180 degree is the angle made by the minute hand. Our hand is 6.5 into 30. How much it comes? 6.5 is nothing but 13 by 2 into 30. That comes to 195 degree. So the difference is 15 degree. Are you getting 15 degree? Quick. Varda? Any problem? புரியுதா புரியலையா? புரியலன்னு சொல்லுங்க, மறுபடியும் we will discuss.
புரியுது சார்.
Okay, so 15 degree. Okay, now I want to ask you one more question. What is the angle made by the hour hand and the minute hand? The angle between the hour hand and minute hand at when the time is 5:30. 5:30. பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 5:30 இருக்கும்போது எவ்வளோன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். How much you are getting, Samita Sri?
சார் புரியல சார்.
5:30 மணி time. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand?
இல்ல சார் நீங்க சொன்னீங்கல்ல சார் 20 into 6 1 minute is equal to 6 degree அப்படின்னு.
No. The angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. இதை நீங்கள் அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கங்க. இதுக்கு இது கொஸ்டின் பண்ணாதீங்க. இது how why they got 6 அது இப்போ வேண்டாம். அதே மாதிரி angle made by the hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degree. Okay, these two are given to you. இது தியரி மாதிரி வச்சுக்கங்க. இதை வச்சு அப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். அது ஏன் அந்த தியரி வந்ததுன்னு we will see some other time. In fact, we have discussed all these things in the class. நீங்கள் மிஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க. நீங்கள் எல்லா கிளாஸ் வந்தால் தான் அது உங்களுக்கு புரியுங்கிறதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் ஒரு அடையாளம். இல்லைன்னா இந்த மாதிரி கேள்வி பண்ண மாட்டீங்க. அப்புறம் you will not be successful in the exam. Even if you miss one question, let me tell you friends, even if you miss 1 or 2 questions, you will lose in the battle. Because it's a very competitive world. They are selecting only 400 students out of 25,000 students. So obviously you need to be abreast and you need to understand and you need to answer almost all the questions. 1-2 சில்லி மிஸ்டேக் ஆகலாம், அது பரவாயில்ல, அதில் அந்த காம்படிஷனுக்குள்ளே வந்துடும். பட் இஃப் யூ ஸ்கிப் சம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பிகாஸ் யூ டோன்ட் நோ அண்ட் அகெயின் ஆன் டாப் ஆஃப் இட் இஃப் யூ மேக் சம் சில்லி மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் தென் ப்ராப்ளி யூ லூஸ் அ சான்ஸ். யூ ஹவ் டு பி வெரி கேர்ஃபுல். இதெல்லாம் காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம் இதெல்லாம். அதனால தான் நீங்கள் மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் கிளாஸ்க்கு வரணும்னு சொல்கிறது அதுவும் ஒரு காரணம். பிகாஸ் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் வில் நாட் பி டாட் இன் யுவர் ஸ்கூல் ஆர் எனிவேர். நீங்கள் தனியாக படித்தாலும் புரியாது. இந்த சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் மேத்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் தனியாக படித்தா புரியாது. Maybe if you study your English, Tamil or social science, yes, you can understand. But Tamil, English and maths and science, you may find it difficult. Not all chapters, some chapters. So here, what we are saying is the angle made by the minute hand in 1 full hour, that is in 60 minutes, is 360 degree. Or full circle vandurum minute hand, 360 or 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it covers an angle of 360 degree. So 1 minute it will cover 6 degree. அப்படிதான் 6 degree வந்தது. அதே மாதிரி the hour hand in 1 full circle, not 12 hours. In 12 hours it covers 360 degree. In 1 hour it will cover 30 degree. அந்த 30 degree எப்படி வந்தது, 6 degree எப்படி வங்கிறதுனா இதுதான் இது. Now you apply that concept and find out what is the angle between the hour and the minute hand when the time is 5:30. So the minute hand is 30 minutes. So 30 into 6 is 180 degree is the angle covered by the minute hand. The angle covered by the hour hand is 5.5. Now 5:30. 5.5 into 30 is equal to how much? 5.5 is nothing but 11/2 into 30. That comes to how much? So 11/2 into 30. That is 165. So 165 and 180. The difference is 15 degree. Easily 15 degree. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 5:30 is 15 degree. When the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 6:30, that also 15 degree. என்ன ரெண்டுக்கு என்ன difference? What is the difference? At 6:30, the minute hand would have made more angle than the hour hand. At 5:30, the hour hand would have made more angle than the minute hand. So this is the nutshell you should understand. So let's go to the next one. Even if you don't understand, go and look at in your in the இது நான் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்ப அப்புறம் திங்க் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். You will get the answers. I'm skipping some question. We'll go to this. Can you read, Samita Sri? Can you read this? Out of the 4 figures.
Yes, sir. Out of the 4 figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, given in each problem, 3 are similar in a certain way. One figure is not like other 3. Select that figure.
So they have given 3 figures, 4 figures. One is odd man out. Which is the odd man out?
Sir, option 3, N.
Yeah, N may be odd man out because all other 3 are vowels. So N is not a vowel. Okay, go to question number 77. 77, 78, ரெண்டுமே பண்ணுங்க.
Sir, option 3, sir, 77 க்கு.
77க்கு ஆப்ஷன் 3யா? என்ன, வாட் இஸ் த லாஜிக்?
Sir, பண்ணா 18 வருது சார். 6204 அது ப்ளஸ் பண்ணா 12 வருது சார்.
இல்லை, என்ன 18 வருது புரியல எனக்கு. கரெக்டாக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுற மாதிரி.
4 plus 8 plus 5
you
plus
have to
1
say when you add
equal
all
to
the
18.
numbers it comes 18 அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஃபுல் சென்டென்ஸில் சொல்லுங்கம்மா. எல்லாம் எல்கேஜி பசங்க மாதிரி எல்லாம் பிட்ஸ் அண்ட் பீசஸ் சொல்லாதீங்க. யூ ஆர் இன் 10th and 11th யூ ஹவ் டு டெல் இன் ஃபுல் சென்டென்ஸ். when you add all the numbers 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 it comes to 18. 18 or whatever. ஆமாம், 18. So 19 I mean 18. Again when you add 3 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 it comes 18. Like that you should say. கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பேசி பழகுங்க. When you interact with in a class you have to be, you should be, others should be able to understand from what you say. 18 வருது சார்னா என்ன 18 வருது அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது நீங்கள். ஸோ யூ ஆர் டாக்கிங் லைக் 3rd and 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மாதிரி பேசாதீங்க. ஒரு 10th standard 11th standard வந்துட்டீங்க இல்லையா, 9th standard வந்துட்டீங்களா, அதனால அப்படி பேச. ஓகே, கோ டு கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 78. ஸோ விச் இஸ் த ஆட் மேன் அவுட்?
Second one.
Yeah, looks like second one. Second one எனக்கே சரியாக தெரில.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think looks like second one. Okay, good. Go to next. In this, இந்த இதில் என்னென்னா, சாரி, again odd man out. Odd man out 79ல. Which is the odd man out? 1 2 3 4. Looks like it's the second one, because all other diagrams you are splitting into half. The entire picture is cut into half, no? That is semicircle. Again the other one is rectangle, and semi parallelogram, like that. Now are you able to hear me? Hello, are you able to hear me? Okay, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think power cut ஆயிடுச்சுங்க, அதனால there's some trouble. Okay, the 79 looks like the diagram 2 is the odd man out. Because the first one is the circle is split into 2, second one is rectangle is split into 2, and third one parallelogram is split into 2. The second one is half split agala. Go to question number 80. So what is the answer? 80. I think it looks like the question, option 3 is the odd man out. Just check whether it's correct. Are you with me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I am saying third one is out because in the boxes these lines are in this direction, whereas here it is in this direction, in an opposite direction. Yes, are you able to see the difference?
Sir, can't see the screen, sir.
Oh, correct, correct. Because the PowerPoint வந்தது இல்லையா அதனால I think you have to see the screen. I have to again no, you have to tell me as soon as you are not able to see the screen, immediately you tell me. நான் கேட்கணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை. You have to tell me. Because I am under the impression that it is இப்போ தெரியுதா? Now you are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now the question is 80, question number 80, which is the right answer. You just check. I am saying option 3. Is it correct? Because the lines that lines in the fourth box is on the opposite direction. In all other three boxes, it is on the this direction, and one direction. The lines in the third option is in the opposite direction. Okay, go to next. Okay, in each of the following questions, find there's some problem. The answer is okay. You can say that. Okay, go to question number 82. See now A, B, C, D is given. What will come in the place of E? Next என்ன வரும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. A, B, C, D, you have to watch the pattern and then you have to find out which is the option will come as a E. So they have given, oh sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 they have given. Which one will come next?
First option.
Yeah, looks like it's first option. Are you getting? What about others? I think first option may be the right answer. எனக்கு அப்படிதான் தெரியுது.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then we'll move to next one. 83. 84 பார்க்கலாம். ஏன்னா because அந்த ரெண்டு picture ஒரே 84 you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D there. What will come next?
First option.
Is it first option?
It's the first option.
Yeah, I think it's first option. I'm also getting the first option. 85.
Option 2, sir.
Are we getting option 2? Others? One person said option 2. I wanted to know whether option 2 is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, looks like option 2 is correct. Good. Figures A and B are related in some manner. Find the same relationship between figures C and D by choosing the alternatives. Oh. I think we'll go to the next question. 87 பாருங்க. A and B are related with some manner. So C, D என்ன வரும்னு கேட்குறேன்.
Third option.
Is it third or is it the first?
Third option, sir.
First option, sir.
First or third? எனக்கு தெரியலையே.
First, sir.
இல்லை அந்த தேர்ட்னு சொன்னவங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கிட்டு. Check whether why not first?
Sir, inside.
Why not first?
So inside.
What, madam?
Sir, first one circle only outside. So it is inside also circle. So this is square. No,
Yeah,
sir.
square. So third may be the right answer. Yeah, third is the right answer. You can say. Go to 88. So which is the right answer?
Fourth option.
Why do you say so? In a logic?
First one, three sides.
Okay.
So 3 cube plus 1.
Okay.
Second one, 4 sides, 4 cube plus 1. Then for 5 sides, 5 cube plus 1.
Yes. Okay. 126 is the answer. Okay. That is the fourth option. Good. Very good. Good logic. 89. Identify the missing portion to complete the given figure from the alternative 1, 2, 3, 4.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3 or option 1? 3, ah? Yes, option 3, I think so. Yes, option 3. Okay, let's go with option 3. 90. What is 90? 90. Not so option 90, what will come? Is it the second one?
Yes, sir.
Option 90, second one? Yes, I think it is the
Yes,
second.
sir.
Yeah, good. Find the number of quadrilaterals in the figure. Find the number of quadrilaterals in the figure. Quadrilateral means 4 sides. How many quadrilateral is there?
Three.
3. I am getting 3. But are we getting 4? Just check. 3 I am getting. Whether 4 can parga?
No, sir, 3 only.
Only 3. Yes. Good going. 92. What is the question? Find the number of triangles in the figure. Find the number of triangles in the figure. Find the number of triangles in the figure. 1, 2.
Eight triangles, sir.
Yeah, I am 8 or 9. Sorry. 8 or 10 on parga. See, the outer is 5 triangle we are getting. And then the bigger one, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. But 9 answer இல்லாதனால 10 ஏதாவது இருக்கான்னு பாருங்க.
Sir, 8.
8 தான். Is it 8? Are we, what about others? Are we getting 8?
But say coordinates 9, sir.
9 இல்லை? ஹலோ?
Yes, sir.
9 வர்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. சார் 9 ஆப்ஷன் இல்லாதனால 10 இருக்குமான்னு பார்க்குறேன். Why 9? Can you tell me? That outer 5 everybody knows. What are those 4? 4 ஒன்றுனா it's like this. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 2, 4 வருதே. So 9 வருது. I don't know. So which one is correct? Okay. Go to this. When the box is unfolded, the figure looked like the given one. What are the faces opposite to 4 and 5? Unfolded means what? You make it in instead of a 3 dimension, you make it in.
Sir, 6 is the opposite for 4, sir. And
So-
2 is the opposite for 5. Sir.
Can you explain it? I am not able to get it. Can you explain it? இப்போ ஒரு பாக்ஸ் எடுத்து அதை அப்படியே 2 டைமென்ஷனில் மாற்றினா அன்ஃபோல்டட், அதானே அன்ஃபோல்டட். இல்லையே, அது என்னன்னு புரியல. ஓகே, என்னால் என்னுடைய மைண்டு வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேங்குது, அதனால் நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்குங்க. ஓகே, வில் க்ளோஸ் அட் திஸ். மைண்டு அப்படியே அப்பப்போ ஸ்டாப் ஆகிடும். மை மைண்ட் வில் ஸ்டாப் சம் டைம்.